Hey guys, it's Catfish. I'm back with another video. And on today's video, y'all see this scratch right here on this S550 Mercedes. I'm about to get it off right now. So keep watching. You'll see how it's doing. This is how we do it. I have to buff it out, actually, people. Yeah, back at the country club, my gynecologist called me this morning and asked me to come out and get the scratch off. So I told him I'm gonna get it off for him real quick. It's not gonna take that long. It's not that bad. Keep adding compound and a little buffing, and it'll come right out and look like brand new, guys. At least he didn't break the paint, because if he had broke the paint, it'd have been a much harder repair. You gotta see it. I got one little spot right there that I gotta get out.
Oh, damn it! I lost all the damn footage.
Alright, take it again.
Hey man, you can't go back to the security guard place in the beginning and all that, man.
I don't know. Y'all see it, guys. He got a little bitty scratch right there. I'm gonna get that one out while I'm in here. And then the other little one, it's one little one that's right there. I'm gonna have to get that one too. But I'm gonna get this one up here. Sucker kind of stubborn. I don't know. Might have to get that one by hand, maybe. Yeah, he didn't break the paint, so. Yep, I got it. I got it. So it's another little one right there. I'm gonna go on and get that one while I'm at it. Y'all remember when I buffed that stuff out of stunners, out the Reaper, so it ain't nothing new, but this is just how it's done when you gotta get scratches off. So
It ain't nothing new. That's how you gotta do to get scratches out.
there it is. Just like it was never there. Just like it was never there. is, guys. It's done.
Yeah, I'm gonna scratch it on the front.
Yep, we got that done.
Yeah, look.
So I'm gonna let y'all take y'all a little walk around. Got this X5 also. Yep, it's real nice. Then his wife has this E350 4MATIC, which we did a while back. Yeah, but that's scratch removal. Yep. Yeah, this is her car. It's pretty clean. It's that new M. You see the light up door seals and the light up on the ground too. Yep. Yeah, but that's the one we working on. We're gonna do a full detail on it too. It's a 550 4MATIC. Let me show you where we at. We at Briar Ridge Country Club. Yep. This is where we at. Yep. Yep. Yeah, this is his house. Got a nice crib. Yep. It's just the neighborhood. Some beautiful houses out here. Yep. Y'all see the work truck? Y'all see the work truck? Probably never seen that plate though. That's the plate. That's my Instagram. And that's my YouTube channel. Follow me on Catfish Corner on YouTube. Anybody in Chicagoland area, if you need detail, there's the number right there. And as you know, we got Pimpin' doing his thing right there.
When the pimp's in the crib, Mom.
Yep, got him doing his thing right there. Then he gonna jump on the inside. See, Doc live on a golf course, so he got his own golf cart. So he can go play golf whenever he want. He just jump in the golf cart and do what he gotta do. Yeah, but this is the 550 I just got the scratch off. And then we're gonna do a complete detail on it. And y'all see the 4MATIC 550. Yes, sir. All right, about to get to work. And just like that, this video is over.